Hi everyone, so welcome back to Tutorial Village. Today I'm going to show you a pattern that is called cube in a cube. Alright, so I'm sure you have seen it a lot. So what it looked like is you have your cube and then there will be cube within a cube. Alright, so first off you can start with whichever pattern you would like. So I'll start with green, orange, yellow. So I'm gonna hold it this way. First, what you can do is you want to do front clockwise, left clockwise, front clockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, front twice, left twice, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, back clockwise, down counterclockwise, back counterclockwise, left twice, and up. So as you can see here, you got your cube in a cube. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you!